In this video, I'll show you how to get the World Cup mode on FC26. Now all you have to do is ensure that the game has been updated to the recent update. So navigate to FC26 and then highlight it and press the options button on your controller and select check for update. Now if there's an update available, ensure that you update the game before you launch it. So as you can see, my game has been updated to the latest version. So once you have updated your game, simply open the game. Now once you launch the game, navigate to the World Game section here, select it. And then from here, you can now play the World Cup mode. So you should see this cutscene. So give it a few seconds. And then from here, you'll be prompted to choose the team that you'd like to use. So let's say this particular team, select it. And then from here, you can play the tournament for the World Cup mode in FC26. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.